What up? Double M's, it's your boy Keyz.
And it's your girl Mandy. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, and we back.
With another video.
Yeah.
And we got that king crab for you. We got that sausage.
Dope and sausage.
We got that corn, them eggs. And baby, we ready to eat.
Don't be coming over here talking about
They pushing signs. They pushing signs. They food. Whatever.
you darn right. Might have finna sit in front of all that. But anyway, blessings.
Hey.
Most loving and gracious Father, thank you for all your bountiful blessings you bestowed upon us. Thank you for our friends and loved ones that came to join us. Bless them and their loved ones. We ask your blessings upon this food that will be nourishing to our body. This is our prayer in your Son, Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Double M Kingdom. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Bing! So you can be what?
Notified of all the videos and content that we have for
in
you.
In store for you. It's all for you. It's just for you.
It ain't for you if you don't hit that bell.
Hey, that bar.
Hit that bell.
Alright, so I'm gonna try me a shrimp first, y'all. I'm gonna try me a shrimp. Let me dip it in that sauce. Ooh, look at that sauce. That sauce so big. Big delicious.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Me too.
I don't even know where to start. I'm just looking because I'm hungry.
That's so good, that sauce. And it's spicy. You don't even do spice like that, but this is pretty good. You did a good job on the sauce, baby.
Yeah, we got one kind of a little sweet sauce that I'm dipping in and one that's kind of spicy.
And I got the spicy one. Ain't that something, y'all? I'm over here with the spicy one. I really should be over there with the sweet one. With that sweet heat. This looks so good. And my favorite, the corn. Ooh, that sauce hot. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. It's that good eating, baby. That good eating. How many of y'all love corn? I love it. And I like it but one way, it's sweet, baby. Give me that sweet corn. It's so good, y'all.
We ain't got no little extra plate. Well, you gotta dump stuff. It's going right back on the same plate.
Hello. We forgot. When you're hungry, you forget some things. That's why it ain't good to do mukbang when you're hungry. It's good to do when you're just ready to kind of like eat, but...
Ooh, it is hot.
That sauce hot.
Burning your finger.
That sauce hot. Got that egg for y'all. Look at that egg. Dip it down in that sauce. Whew. It's kind of hot.
So y'all, you know we got a little topic of discussion for y'all.
Yeah, we got a topic for y'all now.
We ain't gonna leave it bland.
No, we can't never do that.
We got one for you. So I'm chilling with my sister, my older sister, the one that was with me in the Shake Shack.
Hey, y'all check that video out too. Shake Shack Mukbang. If you ain't got a Shake Shack, you better get in there one. They have them in Atlanta. I think they have other places too. Florida and Orlando, we just got like what, four of them. They got them in the malls, and they got them. They got a standalone in Winter Park. Yeah.
That's where we first went to it in Winter Park. So
Anyway.
So my sister, we was talking, and she said, "What you think about them?" I said, "About what?" You got people out here trying to finesse relationships.
Oh yeah, honey. People always trying to finesse somebody out of something. People be with you for all the wrong reasons. And be, run them up on your behind. You don't even know it. They going 95, going south, and I mean they going hard on you. I mean they leave the tracks and all, tread, the tread from the side on your behind, everything. They doing it. That's what it is.
So she's saying, check this out. I said, okay. She saying, how about these married people? I'm like, married? You know I'm married. Don't be coming at us like that. No, just listen what I gotta say. She said, you got people out here married and they cheating.
Oh, of course.
Hard.
Of course.
She said, they cheating hard. They done changed the game of cheating. Married people. Right here making people think they single, but that ain't new. But she say, it's the point of really making it look like they single. All the way. Like they, I got kids, like you got a little baby mama over there. Y'all ain't, we just going, I got my people, and we just going through some things.
And knowing you married.
People
lie to you in a minute.
Yeah.
About this relationship. They will.
So, I guess a friend had went out, and the friend met somebody, and he was dating the guy. Guy had kids, this, that, and the other, and then somewhere or another, the girl ended up. Excuse me. Going trying to see the dude, or went to pick him up from work, but he said he had another ride.
Oh, that's a mess.
And she followed him home. Come to find out,
why she do that? But for real, why she do that?
I don't know.
Follow him home? Negative.
I ain't trying. That's like drunk. That's like some hip hop Atlanta.
That's some reality show stuff right there now, for sure. That's like Cheetos. You're in the bed, sitting in the bed, waiting to jump out and jump out, boys.
I guess she was on the need to know.
What y'all know about them jump out boys?
She was on a need to know basis. Followed him home. I guess they had went somewhere to a store or something, and lady came out, kids came out, and you could tell, they was married. The wife had wedding ring on. He come home, you can see he had one on. Next day, call, quiet conversation, and confront him about the situation. And you know what his answer was?
What?
Everybody doing it.
Ooh!
What's up with that? What's up with that? But the point is that he didn't give that person the opportunity to make a choice. He just finessed the whole system. You know what I'm saying?
The whole situation.
Yeah, the whole system, the whole platform. He finessed.
But that's
I'm like, wow.
But that's not uncommon in relationships for men to lie to you about their situation. It's not even uncommon for women to do it. Yeah. But a lot of men will definitely lie to you and say they single, they available, and sometimes these dudes be looking too good to be true out here in these streets. Or just be looking too good to be true. And then you start finding out things about them like, dang, why you didn't tell me you was married? Why you didn't tell me you had a girlfriend? Why you didn't tell me you had bad credit? Why you didn't tell me you been to jail a few times? like, why you didn't tell me that? Why you didn't tell me that? Like, dang, bro. Let a sister know what's up with you know? Like, dang, I'm like some more now. Everybody need to walk around with they
It's Halloween, bitch. Trick or treat.
You're right, you need to get a trick or a treat. Hey, cause these dudes out here finessing. They finessing strong too. The finesse game be strong, and now the women are really finessing. Cause they tired of the foolishness, you know what I'm saying? So they finessing too. It's a dirty game. It is. It really is. It really is. People will sit up there. I've seen people go to some links where, you know how when you take your wedding band off, and today I had my wedding band clean. So I didn't have it on. And you know, you have that little imprint on your skin where your skin be lighter than the rest of your finger because you done had your wedding band on, you wear it all the time. Well, I know a dude who will put makeup on his finger. That joker said he put makeup on his fingers so nobody don't know he married. I said, you dirty dog. You dirty dog. He told me you go in them the little gadget stores, they have all kind of little stuff. You just find the little makeup tube, you just pack that stuff on your finger, she'll never know the difference. I'm like, wow. The stuff people will think of just to do their dirt. It's really sad. It really is. But yeah, some people finesse game is super strong. And they'll have you believing all kind of things about them and telling you they going out of town, they going out of town on a business trip. And, you know, they laid up in another country with their wife on vacation or something, you know what I'm saying? Or telling their wife they gotta go off on business and, you know, they off with somebody else, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes they ain't off with a woman, they off with a man. You know what I'm saying? Just go to show, you know? You just don't never know. I'm glad you know businessman. Got time. I'm gonna be out of town for a couple days. Oh, I'm gonna be out of town for a couple days with you.
Oh, you see that? Women's conference.
What?
Oh, it's funny now.
Boy, I posted videos.
Stay tuned.
I posted videos.
Stay tuned.
I posted videos. He saw who I left with.
Edited videos.
You need to stop lying. You need to stop lying, babe. You know I wouldn't do you like that. And you was calling me every time you got a chance. Checking on my next move. Like GPS on my behind. GPS says, you're here. Where are you?
Our phones don't lie.
When the iPhone told y'all I was with Joyce Myers and Sarah Jakes Roberts at the women's conference.
I don't know them.
Whatever, you better look them up.
I don't know them.
You better look them up. Everybody know who Joyce Myers is.
Yeah, everybody got a little Judas in them too.
Hey y'all, I was on my best behavior. I had a good time worshiping with other women. Okay, becoming inspired, keeping my mind focused on the prize of life.
Yeah, we were finna get you. What prize is that? Find yourself.
This devil over here working. This devil over here working, y'all. I'm rebuking this devil about you right now. Rebuke you, demon. Rebuke you about my husband with your foolishness.
Brian here trying to find a prize in a Cracker Jack box.
That's right. I want to eat Cracker Jack, but I ain't looking for nothing up in no Cracker Jack box, okay? The prizes I like come in Tiffany boxes, okay? Just so you're aware. If you want to get me a surprise, So we can both be surprised.
My surprises come naked.
Oh, I can't. We're a family channel.
That's what we trying to be on.
I'm so done. I'm so done. Listen, y'all.
Don't
That's why I
comment
made that show.
down now.
I can't. Because I really, really can't. Somebody told me in the comments, get your husband. You right, baby. Let me get my husband because he off the chain.
I can. I can, though.
I really can't. You too much. Talking about I was at the conference doing other stuff. Don't play with me. You know better. If he thought that, trust me, he'd have been in Tampa. He'd have been in Tampa scoping things out. He thought that. He knew he could trust me. That's why he went right on to work like he wasn't nothing. And he could check on me when he could and just see how it was going and how I was like and everything. Asking me what I ate for dinner. You know, where did you guys go? And we went to this new Thai restaurant that just opened up called Thai Prime Grill. It was really, really nice. I had some grouper fish and I had steamed mixed vegetables. It was so good. And that was my only meal of the day and I felt really good. And I went back to my hotel room. And we stayed in a nice contemporary hotel with the Marriott Court. And it was nice and we had a good time and we just chilled and relaxed and, you know what I'm saying, just spoke positivity over each other. Just had a good time. And that's the kind of things you got to do with your girlfriend, even with your husband. You got to have a good time and just, you know, stay in positive events and things like that, you know. I'm always looking for positive stuff I can do and places I can go to be around people that are uplifting to my spirit, you know. So, he know that. He know that about me. How many conferences I've been to? Several. Before we ever even did YouTube, I was going to conferences, listening to speakers and things like that. Because I have a passion for that kind of stuff. I really do. I love it.
Let's see if she gonna lift my spirit.
You know what? I'm gonna lift Brian and take you down.
She been gone from me all this time.
No, I haven't been gone from you like that. Stop lying. Tell me lying to people. We don't do that on our channel. We don't be telling lies. I've been home now.
Been gone all this time.
We just doing too much. We doing the most. That's
I want my spirits to be lifted.
Ladies, don't your husband sometimes act like a little boy. Treat him like one. Why you doing that? Ain't no baby. When I be babying him, come here, Tunka Bell. He be looking at me crazy. But he want to act like my Tunka Bell sometimes. It's right act like my Tunka Bell sometimes, though. Y'all mean acting like a little baby sometimes. My mama gone. I'm gonna be with my mama. I know you was missing me. I was trying to get back. I missed you too. I did. Why you looking like that? Don't be looking at me like I'm that crab. How you making them faces when he be cracking them crabs, y'all?
Yep. Pretty much.
That's a mess. You a whole mess by yourself. You don't even need me. You don't even need me. You a whole mess by yourself.
I need you, baby.
You know you ain't trying to finesse me. You gonna finesse me.
What my little nephew son, Kodak Black?
Oh my goodness. Here you
I'm
go.
finagling and waggling, finessing, getting bored.
Whatever. Whatever. You off the time. Y'all see how ratchet Keyz is? Keyz love all that kind of music. Ratchet stuff. Some of y'all might not even know who Kodak Black is. Look him up.
Lie.
Look him up.
Tell the truth, shame the devil. You know who that boy is.
But how many of them listen to him like you do? That's what I want to know. That's for his nephew. A hot mess.
That's my little nephew.
Whatever.
I like R&B too.
Yeah, but we could turn on your playlist. Sometimes you know how you get in the car and with your iPhone, you got your Bluetooth set up on it, it automatically connects, so the music start playing. Mine start playing, soft, R&B music, all about love, melodic, Ella May, might hear some Ella May. You might even hear me playing Queen Naija, something like that.
Or Prissy P.
Yeah, Prissy P, because I love playing her music too. I do like her songs. I do. I can't help it. It's got like she got a nice beats to her music, and so you could just kind of like start jamming when it come on. So yeah, y'all check Prissy P out though. Her music is on iTunes too. And so I cut my music on. You know, that's what you hear. He cut his music on. I mean, it's just like ratchet video. I'm talking about. They talking about popping that thing and dipping it low. Get that thing to Big Daddy.
She ain't never heard.
Well, please, you listen to ratchet music.
That ain't ratchet.
You do listen to a lot of ratchet stuff now.
That right now, different low, pop that. not in my ratchet song.
Whatever, yeah, they do be talking about that in your ratchet music. Yes, they do.
If they talk about it, they ain't saying dip it low and pop it.
I ain't gonna tell you this film, the record behind. Now, get that together right quick. Get that together real quick, okay?
They need to know. They need to know that that was a lie.
That wasn't no lie.
Ain't no popping it.
They saying other words on the end of that, but I'm not saying those words. But I'm saying most of what they saying.
They saying putting them
they get the point.
Putting them legs like a peace sign.
Shut up. That's my song. My girl 7th Street say that.
Look at that. She even knows 7th Street.
That's R&B.
Checking like up the deuces.
I like that.
You know.
What up the peace sign?
We know you like it.
But it's soft. It's melodic. Yes.
Going up the peace sign.
Shut up. I can't with him. Hush. Hush.
Kids, cover your ears. No, they know what it means.
They probably do.
Peace up, A-Town down.
You a mess.
It don't mean that no more. Usher, they don't finagle your peace sign.
I'm gonna turn to something else. That corn's so good. Save me a shrimp, sure. Gotta get it in.
Yeah, 3 shrimps, you know. Yeah, y'all. People around here giving you their best situation out of control.
I heard talking about living their best life and mess around with married men and married women and all kind of crazy mess. People got too many mental health issues, man. They got to address that stuff. Because that's what they be stemming from. You be feeling lonely and you be hurting inside and, you know, you be going through stuff. And you just don't know. And then you be looking for somebody to, you know, to talk to, somebody to be with. And this person got a whole family somewhere. Ain't told you nothing. That ain't right. And even when they say they're gonna leave, they never leave. And if they do it because the wife is already fed up and ready to go. A lot of times they run back to you after the wife done put them out. And once again, trying to finesse their stuff into something. A place to stay. A new relationship that ain't gonna work because it's already built on the wrong principles. You cheated on her, what you gonna do for me? Come on.
Right now, trying to build a relationship on quicksand.
Ooh. It's the truth. It ain't nothing but the truth. Ain't nothing but the truth. That stuff crazy, man.
Ooh.
All right, double M's.
Yeah, we got to get out of here and get some rest.
Yeah, baby.
Time for me to finagle and wiggle.
Time to go sleep. Get some rest. You stressing me out. Don't act like no baby now. Who you think you gonna be talking about tonight? You gonna be talking about tonight?
Be no talk about it. Don't y'all get in the comments. What's that? What's I don't know. So don't
Yes,
play
he do.
me.
Yes, he do.
I don't know.
You gonna eat my tongue. Come on, ladies, be for real. How many of y'all husbands that like y'all babies sometimes? Like they can't do nothing without you. You go somewhere, they want you to get home, they miss you. That's like a little kid. You know, your little baby be like that about you. Mama. It's cute, baby. I love it that you missing me like that. That nigga sweet. I be missing you too.
Mm-hmm.
When that conference was up, I'm telling y'all, we ran out that auditorium. I ran up out of there. I ain't have time to mingle with nobody. Oh, it was nice meeting you. It was, it was high and by because I gotta get home to my hobby.
All right, double M's.
We had so much fun with you guys this evening. Don't forget to like,
subscribe,
share the video, man. Come on.
Yeah. Give
Hit
us
that
some
notification bell.
so you can be notified of all that content, all that love, all them videos.
Hey, so you can be a part of the Double M Kingdom.
All right, y'all. Comment. We want to hear from you.
We sure do.
Comment. Sitting around there with all that on your mind. Something on your mind, get it off.
Oh, you gonna break out and rap some rap for us? So like he's gonna, break out in the hook or something there. You know what I'm talking about?
Let us know about it. Let us know about it. We'll take care of it.
We sure will.
Mm-hmm. We're going to work it out.
Until next time, Double M's.
We out of there.